The Angels are taking on the Rockies. Top one, Mike Trout opens the scoring with a solo bomb off Chris Russin, number 23 for Trout. It's 1-0 Halos. Bottom four now, the game's tied at 1, and Nick Hundley goes the other way off Matt Shoemaker for an RBI single. The Rockies take the 2-1 lead. Top six now, Mike Trout is at it again. He takes Russin deep for the second time, his 24th homer of the year. Trout goes 2 for 3 on Wednesday. He's 12 for 21 with 12 runs scored in 5 career games at Coors Field. Top 9 now, Johnny Giavotella breaks the 2-2 tie with a bases-loaded 2-out single off John Axford. It's 3-2. Bottom 9, Houston Street intentionally walks Nolan Arenado to put the possible winning run on base, and the move pays off as Ben Paulson grounds out to end the game. Street tweaks his groin. After throwing the pitch, he'll be reevaluated Thursday. The Angels win 3-2. The Angels have now won 5 straight games. They'll head to Seattle Thursday to face the Mariners with Garrett Richards on the hill. The Rockies will host the Braves. Kyle Kendrick will pitch the opener.